Hey everybody. So here I'm talking to you about the other interactive from week 1, which is this colored filters interactive. And I just want to kind of explain the interactive and what's going on with it, because I think once you get the premise, it's kind of really fun, cool little thing to experiment with how stuff works. So this first tab here is lasers, right? And in the lasers tab, there's a red laser, a green laser, and a blue laser. And these are the three primary colors of light. And so red and green and blue all have very different wavelengths. Red is compared to blue being right, and of course relative, not to scale. And so because they have different wavelengths, that means that they interact with materials differently. So down here we see these filters. And so if I take this red filter and I put this red filter right here, the green and blue lights, when they hit this red filter, the material it's made out of, they absorb into the filter, and the filter will, eventually get very slightly warmer because it's absorbing. Like when you stand outside on a hot day and it's real sunny and you're wearing black and you're like, I'm dying, because the black is absorbing all the light that's hitting it. And so the black actually will get you warmer than white or light colors that will reflect more light. Something to know. But here you see the red goes all the way through. Over here, right, you can see that there is percentage listed: red 100%, green 0, blue 0. It's just telling you how much gets through. But here's the cool thing. It remembers what's going on. So if you click on light bulb, there's a light bulb emitting white light. It's all the light, the whole spectrum. But because this red filter only lets red through, what you see on the screen over here is only red. Also really cool is that this little sunglasses thing lets you see a picture and let you see what it would look like if you had red filter sunglasses. So the sunglasses are made the same way, so that the light went through it, only red got through. Okay, I think it's pretty neat. You also pull out a color wheel, or just a white background, or even upload your own picture, although if you're on a Chromebook, you can't really do that. But now that I've shown you how all these things work, the first part, and click over to it, this first part here says, hey, put these filters up, and then tell us what amount of light is absorbed. So here you'd put 100%, and then 0, and then 0, because that's what we just saw, right? If I click back over, 100%, 0, and 0, and both of these will actually list that, which is really nice. But as you go through, maybe put like light green here, right? Now it's red, 50%. And let's say I get rid of this guy right here. Okay, and I put in like a light, come here you. I grab light blue. This is the color, this is what comes through now. Red 25, green 50, blue 50. Go over here, that's the color that I get from having those put in there, right? That's what they filter, right? Okay. I might put like a light yellow. Let's go over something really interesting and different. Okay. Now it's slightly different. It's a little bit greener, right? And if here it is light green, it changes. Now it's kind of a gray. All right. So this is just, I want you guys to be able to see and how this stuff works. For the next section, it says, hey, go to light bulb, and hey, how do you get blue? How do you get dusty rose? Well, it gives you percentages. I'm like, oh, I need the percentage to be only 100% blue, everything else 0. And based off what we just did, oh, I'm gonna take this dark blue guy. Bam, blue 100, everything else 0. So over here, I'm gonna go filter 1, dark blue. Filter 2, nada. You just leave it blank because you don't write anything out. This last part, the application question. Talk about the guy real quick. So it's like, hey, let's make this white ball. It's a ball that appears white in white light. So it's a white ball. Make a white ball look red in 3 different ways. Now, I know people will give me 3 different ways that all made sense, but sometimes used materials I didn't have, because in here you only have these filters. But here's the thing. Basically, what you're doing is you're going, well, how can I use these to get the ball to be red in one or more ways? And how can I use a white light in these filters, or some of these lights in these filters to make the ball look red. Just try your best. And if you haven't, you're like, hey, will this idea work? You can go over here and test it out. Be like, hey, if I put filters, will the thing I want to see happen? You can try it out. Okay. So that is basically everything about this interactive. Remember, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me.